We're happy that you want to join Allegro. This guide will help you successfully register and activate your business account. First, go to allegro.pl and click here to start the process. Switch to the English version of the form and then choose Business Account. Enter the email address for your account. Make sure it's one you use. The most important messages will be sent to it. Use a strong password you'll remember and then add a phone number our team can contact you at. Choose your company's country of registration. Next, provide its tax ID number. The name you type in here must match the name in the official registration documents. Fill out the company address information and then check the first box if you've read and understand our user agreement. The other two consents are optional. Now go to your inbox and confirm your Allegro account registration. Congratulations! Your account is almost ready. Now we need to verify it. First, let's set your payouts account. You have 4 options to choose from: bank account, Payoneer account, Lian Pay account, or Ping Pong account. If you choose the bank account, you'll be able to pick a traditional transfer or a bank statement. For the traditional transfer, you'll have to use the account details provided to send a penny transfer. You can use Polish zlotys, US dollars, euros, or other major currencies. The bank statement option is easier for international sellers and is recommended. Complete your bank account details and send us a statement from that bank account. The bank statement should be issued in English on bank's official letterhead. Include the number of the account, as well as the name and registered address of the company that the account belongs to. Include bank stamps and a name stamp, and a signature of the issuing person. If you select Payoneer, all you need to do is log into your Payoneer account. For Lian Pay and Ping Pong, you'll need to fill out your account details and then send us a statement from that account. For all these methods, please remember that the account you choose for payouts must be your company's account, not a personal one. In the next step, you'll be asked to upload documents necessary for us and the payment operator. First, identification documents. An important step to remember here is that for some countries, we'll require 2 documents of the company's owner or representatives instead of 1. The company registration documents should be in English, Polish, German, Czech, or Chinese, and must be 4 months old or newer. If you aren't sure where to receive that document from, please contact our support team. Please make sure all files you attach are smaller than 10 megabytes. You can add another document if the one you provided doesn't have all the necessary information. Next, please add information about all the company representatives indicated in the registration documents. We recommend passports, but other ID documents can be accepted. Please remember to take a picture of the documents instead of scanning them. Make sure the name and surname match the registration documents exactly. Fill out basic information about each representative and then upload an identity document for each representative. If there are any beneficial owners in the company, please provide their name, surname, birth date, and nationality. Documents aren't required here. After you're done attaching all the documents, all you need to wait for is their verification. In the meantime, you can fill out the tabs needed to start selling once your account is fully ready. Watch the tutorials linked in the video description to find out what to pay attention to when adding the necessary information, like return terms. Thanks for watching and welcome to Allegro.
Visit Allegro Academy and find out how to boost your sales. Allegro Academy, your partner in business and online shopping.